back on the OBS, working on the rear brakes. There's something is grinding, and if I look in the back side of it, in the adjustment hole right there, I see something rolling around in there. So I don't know what's came loose. Whatever it is, it's not grabbing. I don't know. It could be a rock in there bouncing around, but I'm gonna pull this tire off of it and check out the brakes. It supposedly had new brakes put on it, but the drums weren't changed. So I do have some new drums I'm gonna throw on it. If the pads are still good, I'm gonna scuff them up with some 80 grit, knock the glaze off of them, and throw it all back together. Yeah, those drums have been on there for a minute. All right, we've already got pieces falling out of it. Almost looks like the liner to the e-brake. I don't know. It's always good when stuff falls out of it, right? They actually don't look too bad. It's dirty in there, but I mean, other than that, it doesn't look too awful bad. The adjuster looks to be in pretty good shape. It might have just been that piece rolling around in there causing the issue. Pads really aren't even glazed over that bad. It's just extremely dusty in here. All right, I've got some 80 grit sandpaper. I'm just going to kind of just knock the surface down a little bit. Not putting a whole lot of pressure on it, kind of just knocking that top glaze off of it. All right, so we're gonna go to the driver's side. It's quiet now, so we know that it's probably that piece rolling around the back. It did look like it was possibly the sleeve off of the e-brake cable, so it's not actually a piece of the truck or of the braking system. All right, I'm just gonna throw a quick little coat of paint on these on both sides just before I put it together. Well, I was just kind of checking everything out down here, trying to mess with it, make sure everything's good, the adjuster's good, and that adjuster's frozen up solid. So that's going to be an issue. So we're going to take that spring back off again and see if we can't get the adjuster off, or at least unthread where we can put some anti-seize or something on it to oh man, that thing is locked up tighter than shit. Nice. Okay, well, we gotta try to break this apart. I'm gonna put some penetrating oil on it and put it in a vise and see if we can't break it. Now this one on the driver's side, tightening is loosening left-hand thread. There we go. That wasn't too bad. It was just jammed in the end of it. I'm running anti-seize thread lubricant 13. This one's also sensor safe for oxygen sensors and stuff like that. But I'm just going to put just a little on. It doesn't take much at all. Just enough to kind of coat the thread just a little bit and let it run in there. Put it lower instead of up front. That way it runs the threads and gets stuck to them going all the way back through there. All right, just make sure you got it adjusted all the way in. There we go. Now we got it kind of functioning like it's supposed to. This arm right here will come up and actually adjust it out. So that's what you're wanting. All right, put our spring back in. All right, and just for the hell of it, I'm gonna go do the other side as well.